Good morning students, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video we discussing the reducible to homogeneous form. Reducible to homogeneous form. So and then before three methods are completed, first method is an variable separable method, second method is an homogeneous method, and third method is reducible to homogeneous method. Okay, so variable separable means to separate the variables and variables ని separate చేయడం and homogeneous form which is in degree equal, then we consider as y equals to vx we consider, then after integration we get variable. And reducible to homogeneous form, small x equals to capital X plus h and small y equals to capital Y plus k. After this consideration we get the constants are taking as an 0 equating to 0 కి equate చేసుకొని we find that h and k values and then we get that homogeneous form. After that homogeneous form we get an variable separable. Okay, we variable the given equation is an variable separable. What we have to do, we integration on both sides, then the required solution is there. That is the process of three methods. Now another method is important method, linear differential equations. The given equation is in the form of linear differential equations. How to identify that linear equation is in the form of the variable separable means to separate that variables and separate చేయడానికి వీలుగా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, that is the variable separable and we identify. Homogeneous and we identify degree. Not homogeneous or reducible to homogeneous means which is not an homogeneous and which is not in degree or equal. That's we identify the constants are is there, extra terms. Okay, here the linear differential equations is in the formation of this way to form dy by dx plus p into y and y unte y which is equals to q and dx by dy ఒకవేళ and sometimes dx by dy under x terms ఉంటాయి. dx by dy plus p into x equals to q formation, dy by dx plus p into y equals to q formation. This is the linear differential equation. In the linear differential equations is known as the first order, and in the hence this linear differential equations are terms are their integrating factor. That is a definition of the definition of linear differential equation. One more condition is there, important condition, that is integrating factor. That is the integrating factor is nothing but a integral e power p dx. Okay, now we have to find out that integrating factor, then we get the required solution of linear differential equation. That is the required solution, y into integrating factor equals to integral q into integrating factor to dx plus c. This is the integrating factor. Just we observe this linear differential equation. First three steps are there. This is the first step, we identify, and second step we find the integrating factor, third step which is the required solution. First given question is in linear differential equation or not. So dy by dx, p and q are on the functions of an x only, and p and q places లో x values మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అలోన్ y dy by dx అంటే y ఉండాలి, dx by dy అయితే x టర్మ్స్ ఉండాలి. Okay, this is the linear differential equation we identified. After that we go find to integrating factor. These are the three steps are there in to find the linear differential equation. First step we identification and identified that those terms, write p and q values and identify. After write the p and q values is the first step, and the second step is to find integrating factor. That is the integrating factor e power integral p dx, integral p dx. Okay, e power integral p value is there in the terms of an x into dx. Okay, now integrated after integrating factor, find out that after integrating factor the required solution of linear differential equation. The required solution of linear differential equation is this one, y into integrating factor equals to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన ఇంటిగ్రేటివ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం, క్యూ వాల్యూ, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్లో ఉన్న క్యూ వాల్యూ, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ డిఎక్స్తో చేసి కాన్స్టెంట్ ప్లస్ సి రాసి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే వచ్చే వాల్యూనే రిక్వైర్డ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ది లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటాం. Okay, these are the three steps are there to find the linear differential equation. First we identify, after we identification p and q values write down, After that we find integrating factor. This is the formula of integrating factor. We use this integrating factor to find the required solution. And we use integrating factor ni use chestu third step lo required solution ni find out chestam. This is the step. This is under linear differential equation is under dy by dx with respect to x only. Okay, dy by dx. After ఒకవేళ linear differential equation is in the form of dx by d formula ఉంది. dx by dy formula, observe this one, these two conditions, just observe this one, that is dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. dy by dx plus p into y equals to q, but this is dx by dy plus p into x equals to q. Just see this both terms. This is the dy by dx, this is the dx by dy. Here p into y, here p into x. Okay, now just see this one, integrating factor. That integrating factor is e power, the integrating factor is, the integrating factor e power p dx, e power p dx, but it is the integrating factor is e power p dy. Okay, here the required solution is y into integrating factor. Here the required solution is x into integrating factor. This is the differential equation in x, this is the linear differential equation in x, this is the linear differential equation in y. This is the linear differential equation in y, and this is the linear differential equation in x. Okay, those are the formulas to find the linear differential equation. These are the three steps to find. First, identify the whether it is linear differential equation or not, and next we go for the integrating factor and then required solution. These are the three steps to find that linear differential equation. The first model problem. Solve x into dy by dx plus 2 into y equals to x square log x. Okay, the linear differential equation, only the differential equation term starting లో ఓన్లీ differential equation మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. దాని పక్కన ఏ టర్మ్స్ ఉండొద్దండి. dy by dx plus p into y equals, అంటే p into y equals to ఓన్లీ q ఫార్మేషన్లోనే ఉండాలి. అంటే it has only dy by dx, so that's why x goes to that side, and x టర్మ్ అటు సైడ్ పంపించేస్తున్నా. 2 by x into y అని రాసిన, x పంపించేసి ఇక్కడ x క్యాన్సిల్. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, dy by dx 2 by x into y, x log x. Just this one relation which is in the formation of dy by dx plus p into y equals to q ఫార్మేషన్లోనే ఉంది కానీ dy by dx plus p into y plus equals to q ఫార్మేషన్లోనే ఉంది కదా. This is the linear differential equation. Now we go for the find out the p value and q value. P is 2 by x, q is x log x. Just see all terms. dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. Okay, always the differential equation only single term. After that, identify that there is a linear differential equation or not. This is the linear differential equation under p thought, y thought ఉంది కాబట్టి dy by dx plus 2 by x into y equals to x log x. The differential equation form general differential equation, dy by dx plus p into y equals to q formation. Okay, here we observe the p value and q value. What is the p, what is the q? Okay, p is the 2 by x, q is the x log x. After that we find out that integrating factor. After that we identify this is the linear differential equation, then we go for the integrating factor. The integrating factor formula is e power p dx, e power 2 by x dx. P value is 2 by x. Now substitute 2 by x, so 2 is the constant. Integral 1 by x dx, integration of 1 by x log x. 2 goes to power and x square. E ki log ki cancel అయితే it becomes only x square is the integrating factor. X square is only integrating factor. We find the integrating factor, then the third step is the required solution. Okay, this is the linear differential equation in dy by dx. That's why the formula is y into integrating factor equals to integration q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Substitute those terms. Y into integrating factor is an x square and yx square. Q is in what? X log x. This is x, not x square log x. This is the linear differential equation. This is the linear differential equation. This is not differential equation. This is not differential equation. Only this is the linear differential equation. That's why in these terms q value is x log x into integrating factor is what, x square. Now substitute those terms, then integrate on both sides. Just see this one. The square into x becomes x cube. Okay, then y into x square, y into integrating factor equals to q into x cube into log x dx plus c. Okay, now we go for the integration. Yx square is a constant, but it is in the form of, with respect to x on just now x as in 2 times. That's why under integration is in 2 times. The integration formula, integral f of x g of x into dx equals to f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x g of x dx అవుతుంది. Okay, but what is f of x, what is g of x? Just identify those terms by using the Euler formula. Okay, this is the Euler, I inverse all logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. First algebraic, first logarithmic, after algebraic. Logarithm is the first, so that's why we taken as f of x. G of x is the second, and g of x is the x cube we consider. Now substitute. Okay, f of x into integral g of x dx minus integration f dash of x log x integration, sorry, log x differentiation 1 by x integral x cube dx plus. This is the formula only. Okay, log x. Okay, here x cube integration x power 4 by 4 1 by x. Okay, integration of x cube x power 4 by x term cancel. Log x x power 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into integration of x cube x power 4 by 4 x power 4 by 4. This is the simplification. This is the problem to find the linear differential equations. This is the problem to find the linear differential equations, and one more problem to solve. Solve dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equals to x cube cos square y. Okay, dy by dx is there, but dy by dx plus p into y formation లో ఉండాలి. dy by dx plus p into y equals to q ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉండాలి, కానీ ఆ ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉందా? p into y లేదు, అంటే sin 2y ఉంది. మనం ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ y ఫామ్ కావాలి, సింగిల్ y టర్మ్సే లేవు అక్కడ మనకి. సో దట్స్ వై వీ ఫార్మ్ ఇన్ అనదర్ వే. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్. మల్టిప్లై కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఆన్ దిస్ సైడ్ or divided by cos square y. Divided by cos square y. Sin 2y means sin 2y, sin 2a formula, 2 sin a cos a divided by cos square. So divided by cos square and it becomes cancelled, it only x cube. 1 by cos square y secant square y. Sin cos y cancel, sin by cos its value, sin by cos becomes tan, it's x cube. Now we get that value tan y equals to v. This simplification, tan y equals to v, we have to consider differentiation with respect to x. Tan y differentiation secant square y. With respect to x తో చేస్తున్నాం, y is an independent variable, so that's why secant square y into dy by dx. v differentiation dy by dx. Now substitute those terms. Secant square y into dy by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, tan y plus v substitution. Just see this one. dv by dx, already 2x term is there, 2 into x. Tan y we have to taken as v equals to x cube. Just see this one, which is in the form of linear differential equation. dv by dx p into v equals to q. అంటే మనకి ఎలా ఉన్నా కానీ ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ dy by dx ప్లస్ p into y ఈక్వల్స్ టు q ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉంది, ఇలా అయినా ఉండొచ్చు. లేదా dx by dy ఉన్నా కానీ p into x ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ dv by dx ఉన్నా కానీ p into v ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉండొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్. ఇక్కడ ఏ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉన్నా కానీ అబవ్ వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో p పక్కన కూడా అదే వాల్యూ ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. సో దట్స్ వై హియర్ dv by dx plus p into v. This is the p we consider, p into v equals to x cube term. So that is the linear differential equation in v. Okay, that's why we have to consider the p value and q value. This is the p and q. Now we go for the integrating factor, e power p dx. E power p is the 2x dx. 2 is the constant. Integration of x, x square by 2. 2 cancelled. The integrating factor is only e power x square. Okay, the required solution. This is the main important. Under dy by dx, the integrating factor is y into integrating factor. Here the differential equation dv by dx. That's why v into integrating factor, integral q into integrating factor dx plus v into integrating factor value is e power x square. Integration of q value x cube e power x square dx. Now we have to simplify. X square equals to t, we have to consider 2x dx. X dx equals to dt by 2. Substitute those terms, we get the integration. Okay, x dx equals to we written as dt by 2 plus dt is the constant, 1 by 2 is the constant, t e power t. Okay, which is also u into v formula and f of x g of x formula apply చేసుకుంటే directly t into integration of e power t minus integral f dash of x t differentiation 1 e power t integration e power t dt. Okay, which becomes only e power t into t minus 1. Compulsory lastly the given question is in terms of an x and y values, but the given answer is in the form of in terms of y and t formation. So that's why we change in the elements. Okay, v into e power t equals to 1 by t e power t x square minus 1 e power t cancelled. It has only tan y. Okay, here we substitute that v value. Okay, tan y e power t cancelled, tan y equals to 1 by 2 x square minus 1. This is another model problem in linear differential equation. The given equation observe చేయండి. హోమోజీనియస్ ఉంది, హోమోజీనియస్ ఫార్మేషన్, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ ఆర్ రెడ్యూసిబుల్ హోమోజీనియస్ అయినా ఒకటి. సో హోమోజీనియస్ ప్రాబ్లం, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, అది రాలేదనుకోండి హోమోజీనియస్ తీసుకొచ్చినాం. At the same time here linear differential equation formation ఉంది. So we did not linear differential equation formation రాలేదు అనుకోండి, నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ ఏం చేసినాం, హోమోజీనియస్ ఫామ్కి తీసుకొచ్చాం, అంటే పాసిబుల్ కాలేదు కాబట్టి. నాన్ హోమోజీనియస్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే వి చేంజింగ్ ద టర్మ్స్ హోమోజీనియస్. అలా ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా అంతే, లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కాకుంటే చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళి లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఫార్మేషన్ తీసుకొస్తుంది. అనదర్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి. దిస్ x plus y plus 1 into dy by dx equals to 1. This goes to that side అంటే 1 by x plus y. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి, లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే ఎలా ఉండాలి, dy by dx ప్లస్ p ఇంటూ y ఈక్వల్స్ టు q ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 1 by x plus y plus 1 ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ 1 by x plus y plus 1 అవుతుంది, కానీ p ఇంటూ y అవుతుందండి, ఫార్మేషన్ రావట్లేదు. సో దట్స్ వై నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజింగ్ ద టర్మ్స్. అంటే ఇంతకుముందు దాంట్లో ట్యాన్ సీకెంట్ కాస్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి చేంజింగ్ ద, నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే డివై బై డిఎక్స్ బికమ్స్ డిఎక్స్ బై డివై లాగా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నా, అంటే రివర్స్ చేస్తున్నా. రివర్స్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 1 by x plus y x plus y plus 1 dx by dy వచ్చింది. ఓకే, plus x goes to this side minus x, it has only y plus 1. just observe this term dx by dy minus x ఉంది కదా, minus x we have to written minus 1 into x which is equals to, just observe this one, this is the linear differential equation in x, dx by dy plus p into x equals to q, dx by dy plus p into x equals to q ఫార్మేషన్లోనే ఉంది. జస్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి, dx by dy ప్లస్ p into x equals to q ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉంది. అంటే మనకి two linear differential equations are there, dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. అంటే ఇక్కడ y ఉంటే ఇక్కడ y ఉండాలి, here x ఉంటే x టర్మ్ ఉంది. సో విచ్ ఈజ్ ద లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ x. సో దట్స్ వై వీ కన్సిడర్డ్ హ్యాస్ p ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాల్యూ అండ్ q ఈక్వల్స్ టు వాల్యూ. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ now we go for the integrating factor, main importance of integrating factor in dy, in linear differential equation in y integrating factor e power p dx only and y integration. in x linear differential equation aithe p dy, p is the minus 1 constant integration y ante e power minus y only. This is the integrating factor and then we find the required solution. The required solution is x into integrating factor equals to integral q into that is the y into integrating factor is in linearly in y. This is the linearly in x. So substitute integrating factor. Now we go for the integration. Okay, here we observe that with respect to y thon kabatti y plus 1 into which is an Euler formula f of x and g of x algebraic ఫస్ట్ ఏ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది మనకి ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ టర్మ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ లాస్ట్ కాబట్టి దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే వై ప్లస్ వన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వై డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అండి ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అంటే డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ వై డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ వన్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ జీరో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ వై బై డివై and then y plus 1 e power minus y integration e power minus y by minus 1. ఓకే ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ కదా మైనస్ వై చేసుకుంటే డివైడెడ్ బై వస్తుంది మనకి మైనస్ వై డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తాం మైనస్ 1 వస్తుంది. ఓకే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ వై బై మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ అగైన్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఒక మైనస్ ఉంది, సింప్లిఫై చేసేసి this is the resultant solution in linear differential equation. These are the linear differential equation model problems. This is the method. చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి మెథడ్ మొత్తం మళ్ళీ.